Welcome to our comparison of the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 Ti and the RTX 5060 Ti. Today, we will explore the specifications, features, and performance of these two powerful graphics cards. The RTX 4060 Ti boasts 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, making it a strong contender for demanding applications. In contrast, the RTX 5060 Ti, with its 8 GB of GDDR7 memory and support for PCIe 5.0, offers cutting-edge technology for gamers. We will analyze their cooling systems, architectures, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. When it comes to memory capacity, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 Ti stands out with a substantial 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, which is ideal for high-resolution gaming and demanding applications. On the other hand, the RTX 5060 Ti offers 8 GB of GDDR7 memory. While this may suffice for most gaming scenarios, it could be a limiting factor in memory-intensive tasks. The increased memory of the 4060 Ti allows for better performance in multitasking and rendering scenarios, making it a more robust option for professionals and gamers alike. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 Ti is built on the Ada Lovelace architecture, which enhances performance and efficiency, particularly in ray tracing and AI tasks. In contrast, the RTX 5060 Ti utilizes the newer Blackwell architecture, which is designed to leverage advanced features and optimizations for modern gaming. This architectural difference may impact how each card performs in various gaming scenarios, with the 4060 Ti potentially offering better performance in traditional gaming setups, while the 5060 Ti may excel in newer titles that utilize its architectural advantages. Both the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 Ti and the RTX 5060 Ti feature the WINDFORCE cooling system, which is designed to maintain optimal temperatures during intense gaming sessions. This cooling technology ensures that both cards can perform at their best without overheating. However, the efficiency of the cooling system may vary based on the card's design and thermal management capabilities. In practical use, both cards should provide reliable cooling, but the 4060 Ti's larger memory may generate more heat, making effective cooling even more critical. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 Ti and the RTX 5060 Ti offer unique advantages depending on your needs. The 4060 Ti provides more memory and is built on the Ada Lovelace architecture, making it a great choice for high-performance tasks. Meanwhile, the 5060 Ti, with its PCIe 5.0 support and newer architecture, may appeal to those looking for cutting-edge technology. Ultimately, your choice should depend on your specific use case and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.